Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Tequila Mimosa for you. Look at that delicious beauty and everything. You guys, it's not your original, just 2 ingredients and that's it. Let's go home. No, it's a little bit more complex, but nonetheless, it's extremely delicious. Way better than just typical orange juice, sparkling wine. No, you guys, we're gonna be using that. We're gonna be using tequila and cava. So if you're excited to find out about this drink, make sure you stay tuned, all right? All right guys, so first step, get both of your shakers. Get your ice cubes ready, throw 3 or 4 of them in there, boom. You wanna make sure all your items are chilled, that's including your glass. I don't do it just so you guys can get a better image. I'm gonna start off with the first ingredient, 1.5 ounces of reposado tequila. You can use white tequila, but I'm gonna use reposado. Just tastes better, more refined, and it is a mimosa after all. You don't have that many ingredients in here, so you wanna make sure all of them are good. Follow it up, just about 1/4 of an ounce of agave nectar. You don't want to make it too sweet, you guys. You're already going to be adding a tangelo. You might be asking, so what an orange? What's just not just a mandarin? No. We're going to use something, human made. Something engineered by humans. So we're going to use just about half of this, you guys. Boom. Come on here, my friend. We're going to use about I'm pouring everywhere. Just about 1 ounce of the tangelo. A little bit more. I'll be eating this shit with tahini later on too. Like that. So 1 ounce. We're gonna follow it up by 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Bam. All right, now we're just gonna cover it up. Shake for a little bit. Before you drop this in the drink, you wanna make sure the first thing you do is use your sparkling wine. Any type of sparkling wine of your choice, just nothing too expensive, Your perfect choice would be your cava. There you have it, guys. This is the perfect thing to use. It's like about $9 to $10 perfectly. Almost. So, whee! Now you're gonna put your glass to the side. Look at that. Ooh, all those fumes. Su madre. You want about half of this, you guys. Half of this. You want to take a little sip. Oh, that's really chilled nicely. Just halfway. I don't have the cork no more. I went somewhere else. It's all right. Now we're gonna do a double fine strain on this. Whew. Qué delicia. It's good on its own, you guys. Yeah, all those little flakes. All right, guys, so the reason I'm pouring the cava first is it doesn't affect the carbonation of the drink. So you can still get all the fizz and everything. It doesn't air it out too quick, So you wanna make sure you pour this thing first. Make sure it's chill. All your items are chill, and including you guys. Make sure you guys are chill. Because if you guys are fired up, and things are gonna taste good. All right, guys, take a quick sip of this. Ooh, guys, that mimosa, delicious. Ooh, let's get a garnish on there, you guys. Perfect for any brunch you guys want to go to. Get a little lime wedge in there. Look at that beauty, guys. Oh, tastes better than any mimosa I ever had. Forget about your typical orange juice and all that half and half. No, we're gonna add a little bit more ingredients. Make it a little bit more complex, a little bit more delicious than just your average Joe. All right, guys, remember this is Alejandro the Mixologist. If there's any drink out there you want me to create, even if it's girly or super manly or whatever, let me know in the comments down below. I am bored of my regular drinks, you guys. But this, I can't be bored of this, you guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.